Let's do this.
Your favourite roving reporter. We're here with Jimmy Duncan. We're going to check out his collection of good stuff, mate. Brom.
7, 6, 5, 4.
Let's do this.
Brom's Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
We've got a international scout. Geez, I like these. These are cool looking things, aren't they? They run all right?
Yeah, it goes well.
Has it got the original running gear in it?
All original, yeah.
Right. Yeah. They're a great looking thing.
Yeah. I've had it for a while. So,
I've never seen one that colour before.
nah.
They're in chrome bumper green, that Doug egg, duck egg green,
Yeah, that's midnight blue.
That's great, isn't it? It's just Ford colour, is it? It's beautiful.
Colour, yeah.
So what's in it? Is it a...
345. I'll open it up. I'll just have to get the key.
Yeah, right. Oh, we got some cool stuff hiding in the garage here.
Got some junk.
Junk, that doesn't look like midnight blue of FJ Holden. That's cool with the white walls. Is it FJ or FX?
FX.
Look at that. Jeez, it looks good in that colour, mate.
It suits it.
It does, doesn't it?
COVID projects.
All right.
That's what they are.
Yeah, good.
When you got nothing else to do.
So you're an excavator, I've gathered?
No.
No?
No.
That's not... Oh, I saw Duncan
Yeah.
excavation.
Communications.
Oh, very good.
Communications. I was in that for
Very good.
345.
So they're a good motor, these ones?
Oh yeah, big solid motor.
Yeah, right. A lot of torque, is it?
Yeah, like real heavy. Big, like they're a big block.
Wow, okay. Is that a Holly on there?
Yeah, I know.
It's a Quadrajet.
Quadrajet,
Yeah.
So
Fantastic.
I'm just trying to think what it was.
Yeah, no. Bloody fantastic.
I did
mate.
have a Holly, but they don't like to go up and down hills like
Oh.
being out in the bush.
Okay, yep. Gee, it's fantastic, mate. Is that a detachable roof, is it?
Yeah, you can come off, yeah, 5-glass roof.
Wow, that's very cool, isn't it? Yeah. So were these imported or were they built here?
Yeah, imported from the States.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a 1978.
78, eh? Very cool. And this is your daily runner sort of thing,
No,
isn't it?
it's on Club Ridge now.
Oh, okay, so you got the cruiser here.
Yeah,
Yeah. Lovely, mate. Fantastic. What we got?
Yeah, just trying to pick the dust off them.
Wow, 34 Ford Sedan.
Yeah.
That is beautiful, mate. Is that like a candy? No, it's not candy. It's a burgundy red.
It's a Toyota colour.
Lovely, mate.
I'm assuming it's a Toyota colour because...
Yeah. Wow, that's fantastic.
I just take the colour right off.
Low 34. What are you running in this one, Jimmy?
351 Cleveland.
Wow, the big fella.
Yeah.
It's magnificent, mate.
Sort of fell into my lap.
Okay.
I wasn't looking for a hot rod, but it,
So you're not really a hot rodder, but you're more like the original sort of stuff.
yeah, it was, yeah, but this.
But you love it.
There was some tires and everything here.
That's right. But so, do you like being a hot rodder now?
Oh yeah.
Good on you.
Yeah. So.
Well, you get some looks in this, mate.
Oh yeah. So.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I've had it for a few years now.
How do you go getting in and out? You like the suicide doors?
Yeah, it's suicide doors.
Bum first.
Bum first. I've got the battery charger in there at the moment.
Yeah, no, it's cool, mate. Really neat. That's
Had
fantastic.
4-inch chop.
Yeah. So who did that? Did you do that?
No, bloke in Sydney. Well-known hot rodder.
Yeah.
I've got his name now. I'll find it for you. But,
We might be watching.
you might too. Well, you know the car.
Yeah. A lot of people will comment. They'll know it.
Yeah,
If it's a well-known build.
I know we got it engineered.
Yeah, right.
So,
That's why it's got full reg.
yeah, I just finally.
I love it. Yeah, so he pulled out the papers from the rego, and it's Fred Eli. G'day, Fred. He's me mate. We've met Fred at the Sydney Hot Rod Show. So Fred built this and had it engineered.
Got it engineered, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming he built it.
All right, Fred, and his boy. I forget your name, mate, but I remember you like a brother. Can you put something in the comments? There you go. Well, it's beautiful, mate. It's absolutely stunning. Bet it runs well with the Cleveland, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I had a few little teething problems from the bloke I bought it from.
Yeah.
And we sorted that out.
Yeah. Mate, I'm 12 months trying to chase bloody shit on mine.
Yeah.
Can be a nightmare. All right. This is your next project.
Yes. There's a few around.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is pretty clean and tidy, isn't it?
It's not too bad. Replace the front floors.
Right. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I see that.
And
Good job, mate.
A few pieces that were missing when I bought it, like.
Okay, the centre roof.
Yeah, like things have been cut out of it. And,
Yeah, right. Someone else needed it more than the...
well, I don't know what this car was used for. It's either a bash car
Okay.
or up on a sign.
Oh.
It had RSJs welded underneath it that were cut off like 4 inches.
Right. So it might have been up on a hill with Eat at Joe's or something written on it.
Who knows?
Isn't that great?
Bit of
Oh, you got the bonnet,
Got everything.
got the grill, yeah.
Yeah.
Good to go.
So
Just got to throw some time at it, Jimmy.
Sorry?
Just got to throw some time at it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and at the moment,
So what's the plan? Original?
don't know yet. Anything's possible.
That one's original. Is that?
Basically, original, yeah.
And she's running the old grey motor.
Yeah, grey motor with twin carbies and extractors.
Okay, so it's not exactly original.
Sort of, you know.
Oh wow, look at that. It's pull along all right, does it?
Yeah, it goes all right. It's got 3.55 diff in it.
Right, so she's off the mark. She'd be good.
So it cruises quite well.
Fantastic, mate. Looks the part, doesn't it?
So
All right, so
we don't know yet.
yeah, all right.
Yeah, it's
Well, no use having two identical, is it?
Yeah, so it'll be a different colour, of course.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
Like you can go back original, but there's a lot of original cars out
Yeah,
there.
that's right. It'd be nice to have a little, like a little V8 in there or something, wouldn't it? Or a Barra.
Yeah, well, my young bloke's got a couple of those floating around.
Well, it'll probably fit straight in and it'd pull it along, all right.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, you'll figure it
No,
out.
I've got the motors there for it. One that was in it was running, so
Yeah, right. Fair enough.
I got it going. But
Looks like it was orange at one point.
orange, and the original colour was a
Was that grey?
creamy colour.
Yeah,
Grey.
that funny grey looking colour.
Yeah, grey roof and creamy body.
Sounds good. We're cuddled up, aren't we?
Yeah, it's a bit tight.
I'll put my seat
belt on.
Yep. I was trying to keep it as legal as possible.
How far do you want to go?
Oh, that's up to you, man. We can just go for a quick flat. Yeah, we can get up to 120 mile an hour. I don't care. Well, we're off. That'll look great. Looking out of the bonnet like that with the
With the
grey ham leading the way. It's unreal, mate.
Somebody's got fog.
Yeah, so you've clocked up some Ks in this, Jimmy?
Not that many. We've been Bella and
Yep.
Galgong and all that. But
Yeah.
other than that, it's been just a local run around.
Okay.
Just local. We do the donuts over at Tugra.
Yep. Yeah. I did a video over there. I went there the day the tail draggers were there.
Oh, right. Yep.
So yeah, that was a good day. Met Mike Bellas,
Yep.
the custom.
Yeah,
car.
met
Yeah, he's a nice guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yep, so yeah, that was a great trip.
Yeah, I didn't go to the show or anything.
Yeah, it's beautiful. God, the Central Coast is moving ahead, isn't it?
Oh, it's going crazy.
Yeah. We moved out of the Gosford in 2002 and hardly recognise Gosford now.
Yeah, that's it.
It's skyscrapers.
Well, I remember there used to be railway crossings here
Right.
at the. So, and that was a Pacific Highway.
Yeah. Yeah, well, my son went to Gosford Public School. It doesn't even exist anymore. It's a block of flats.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, our friends at Australian Rod and Custom sponsor this spot, the Brom's Garage Call, and with every one that gets chrome bumpered, they also get a prize from Australian Rod and Custom. So there you go, Jimmy. There's a hat
Cool.
from Dennis and Christy, Jeff and Slowey.
All right.
There's a sticker, and there's your chrome bumper sticker, mate. So you've been chrome bumpered now, mate.
Yeah, no.
Good on you, buddy.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Thanks for your time, mate.
Oh, that's all right.
A Statesman.
Oh, Statesman, 76 Statesman.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, wow. That is brilliant. Well, I like the colour. So what's this one? What's the model? Is it a
HJ.
HJ? That's fantastic. 308?
308.
308.
430. Oh, except for the wheels.
Yeah, the old hot wires, they look great, don't they?
Yeah. That's it. Oh, I've had the, I resprayed this one too.
I like your colour choice, mate. Is that the original colour?
Original colour.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
And
Cream white. Well, they call that clotted cream, is that what it is?
Oh, something.
Yeah.
It's just open, I think. So,
That's beautiful. Yeah, they're a great driving car, aren't they?
oh yeah, it's just like that.
Well, it's a limo.
Just cruise.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. My mate's got one. He's got a big block in his. It's lovely to drive. Fantastic.
Oh,
You get this one out often, Jimmy?
every couple of months.
Yeah,
So,
good on you. It's on the historic,
Yeah, on the
hysterical Redger.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Oh, you have to.
Oh, you can't run them all on the bloody on the full Rego.
Cost you, mate.
Oh, absolutely. Well, fun lovers, thanks for that. That was Jimmy Duncan, and didn't he have a nice collection of cars? That 34 chopped sedan is fantastic, and a bit of history as well if you've watched it right through. So thanks for that, and if you're interested in me coming and doing a garage crawl, sponsored by Australian Rod and Customs, of course, please just do something in the description below, and we'll make our best effort to get along to see you in our travels. So thanks for that. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. It costs nothing to subscribe and it helps us out heaps, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye now.